China will display the KLJ-7A AESA radar developed for the Pakistani-Chinese JF-17 jet along with a newly developed anti-stealth radar at the World Radar Expo 2021 to be held in Nanjing starting Thursday. Jointly hosted by the China Radar Industry Association, the China Electronics Technology Group Co., Ltd., CETC, and the China Electronics Information Industry Group Co., Ltd., CEC, the 9th World Radar Expo will also feature a newly developed mobile anti-stealth radar designed to detect low altitude, slow speed and small targets with the longest range in the world. The World Radar Expo 2021 will feature the country's cutting-edge radar technologies including multiple sets of large early warning radars, which will give the world a glimpse into China's significant achievements in radar equipment, the report said, quoting the event organizers. CETC has developed the new mobile anti-stealth radar as well as the KLJ-7A airborne active electronic scan array radar. Both CETC and CEC will display multiple types of large early warning radars at the event. The JF-17 Block 3 is expected to be equipped with the KLJ-7A. The jet has already begun prototype tests and is expected to enter batch production in a couple of years. The KLJ-7A is an active phased array radar developed for the FC-1 single-engine fighter aircraft based upon the KLJ-7 active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar. The radar has been designed to detect and track multiple targets at ranges in excess 100 kilometers. The new radar with a maximum detection range of roughly 170 kilometers was introduced in November 2017.